I'm in a 2014 Nissan Rogue, and today I'm going to show you to connect your phone Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first make sure your vehicle's on, and then wait for a moment for everything to populate. And then we're going to use the voice controls. So as long as you've got these over here, we're going to start these prompts. And then as a heads up, if you've got a max number of phones stored in the device, you might need to, in the vehicle that is, you might need to delete a phone first. But we'll start the voice commands.
Attempting to connect to your phone. Please wait.
So it's first going to try to auto-connect to your phone if you've previously paired before, which case I haven't. So in a few seconds here, it'll prompt me then for other options, which we'll go through the pairing options.
Would you like to add a phone now? After the beep, say add phone, replace phone, select phone, or no.
Add phone.
Add phone. The system is searching for your phone. Using your handset,
so make sure Bluetooth's on.
Bluetooth device called My Car. When requested by
Pairing
the
menu.
handset, enter the pin 1234. For further instructions, refer to your phone's user manual.
And sometimes this might take a few minutes or a few tries. Maybe you have to restart your phone, restart the car. But typically it should populate pretty soon for the vehicle Bluetooth. And if you did have to delete a device, it's the same voice commands. You just do like the replace phone option as it said. So My Car. And then whatever name. Alright, select My Car. I don't know why I did the name thing. We're just trying to connect. Alright, so like I said, it's having issues, so we'll try this again. Now it's back in the search mode. There's My Car.